Welcome back to this series of No Space, No Problem. I'm Simone and I'm the founder of Poppy for Parkinson's. Remember, the point of all of this is to become a better dancer, a better human being, but most importantly, to feel free and experience the feeling of freedom, especially in times like this when it's kind of hard to feel that. If you haven't seen the first episode, please make sure you check that out. Alright, now, so today we're just gonna focus on freestyle and timing, which means I'm not gonna give you any steps per se, I'm just gonna give you some tasks and directions, okay? So really feel free to express yourself through the task and through the timing tasks, okay? Let's go. The first timing we're gonna explore is called slow motion. And guess what? We're just gonna move in slow motion, okay? So just try. Now remember, the idea of slow motion is that there's no changes in dynamics. So I keep it a constant movement at all times. There's no impacts or impulses as such. Okay, really try to stick to this timing. Whatever you do, really feel like you're sort of in space, if you wish. That might help. And really feel the resistance of the air as if it's like honey or something, you know, a little bit thicker than just air. And really play and stick to that. If you want to do sound, noises to make that easier, please feel free to do that. It really helps me because it gives me the sense of quality and dynamics. That's great. Slow motion. What we're gonna see now is called air pose. This timing goes like this. We go to A to B, breathe, back to B. Let me show you. We go A to B, we breathe, go back to B, change. A to B, breathe, B. A to B, breathe, to B. 1, E2, breathe, 3, E4, E1, 2, breathe, 3, 4, E1, 2, breathe, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that timing a little bit quicker. 5, 6, we go. A to B, breathe. 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 Great. Air pose. Third timing of the day is called dime stops. And it goes like this. A to B, stop. A to B, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Okay? So basically, go, stop. That's the dynamics and the timing. Okay? Make sure that when you go, you really go. And when you stop, you really stop. You need to freeze. Okay? Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, we go. Go, stop. 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 A little bit more. That's great. That was the dime stop. So now let's put the 3 together. So we're gonna go slow motion into air pose into dime stops. Ready? Let's go. So slow motion. 5, 6, slow motion. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Keep going with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go with the air pose. We go A, B, breathe. A to B, breathe. A to B, breathe. A to B, breathe. Now dime stops. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. Go, stop. go stop, go stop, go stop. That's great. Now let's try that with the music. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Slow motion to start with. 6, here we go, we go. Now we go air pose. 1, 2, breathe. Now dive stops. We go. Go stop. Great. And there you have it. These are just 3 timings. In the next episode, we're gonna explore other timings a little bit quicker. But I think it was good to start slow and then build up with the speed and stuff. Now, obviously, this is sort of an exercise at first, but then you really can just apply it to the music. So now let's do it one more time and just be playful with the 3 timings, going from one to the other to the other. It doesn't necessarily have to go from A to B to C in terms of timings. You can just play and go from A to B and then go back to A and then go to C and then whatever. So really just be playful and let the music move you so you can really experience the sense of freedom. Let's go. Okay, so play with those 3 timings. Ready? Let's go. That's great. That's great. So remember, it's about making sure that you freestyle and you improvise, letting the music move you and just playing around with rhythms and timings. In the next episode, we're gonna break down all the other timings that we haven't done today. Once again, thank you for joining me. It was a real pleasure to have you here. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll reply to that as soon as possible. And if you like the tutorial, please make sure you like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and let people know about this. Stay tuned for the next episode. I'm Simone from Popping for Parkinson's, and I'm out. Peace.